friends, this is Hanishka 9th Standard Apex School.
Hi friends, this is Pranati from 7th Standard Apex High School.
Hi sister, how are you?
Fine, what about you sister?
I am also fine. Feeling glad to meet you.
Dear sister, may I ask you one question please?
Yes, it's my pleasure to answer your question.
What is the meaning of cell?
Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. The word cell is derived from Latin, which means small room.
Is there any other name for cell?
Yes, cell is often called as building blocks of life.
What is the study of cell called?
The study of cell is called cell biology or cellular biology or cytology.
I heard that there are two cells. They are prokaryotic, eukaryotic.
Yes, absolutely you are right, sister.
Can you define please prokaryotic cell?
Yes, why not? Prokaryotic cells are the cells without nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are mostly found in single-celled organisms.
Yes, now I know about prokaryotic cell. Tell me about eukaryotic cell.
Eukaryotic cells are the cells having nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are mostly found in multicellular organisms.
May I know differences between single-celled and multicellular organisms?
Yeah, single-cell organisms are having only one cell. For example, amoeba and paramecium. But multicellular organisms are having many cells. For example, plants and humans or animals.
Yes, now it's clear.
Do you know components of cell?
Yes, I know. But little bit. Cell has three parts.
Name those three parts and describe about them, Pranati.
Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus.
Do you know up to that?
May I know about cell membrane?
Cell membrane is a plasma membrane. Cell membrane consists of lipids and proteins, and cell membrane is protective membrane of cell.
Finally, about nucleus.
Yes, nucleus is the functional part of cell which controls the entire cell. Nucleus consists genetic material of our body. Genetic matter means DNA and RNA.
What is the full form of DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid.
Dear Pranati, shall we go through digital view about cell? Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common. No matter what hypercell they are, all cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside of the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cell. They have organelle, which is include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells, such as those are found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cell. They don't have a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled or unicellular organisms such as bacteria. So, what are organelles? Organelles mean little organ. Organelles are specialized parts of cell. They have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do. Chromatin is triangular spiral formed DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA dances in the structure known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains nucleolus, which is a structure of ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and rest of organelles float around the cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may run freely within the cytoplasm. or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER. Rough ER has endoplasmic reticulum attached to it, and smooth ER does not have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane enclosed passageway from transporting materials, such as proteins synthesized by ribosomes. Proteins and other materials emerged from endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles. Where the Golgi operators, sometimes called Golgi body, receives them. As proteins move through Golgi operators, they were customized into forms that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins into usable shapes or adding other materials onto them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are sap-like structure that stores different material. Here in this plant cell, the central vacuole stores the water. Going back to the animal cell, you see an organelle called lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collectors that take in damaged cell parts that are filled with enzymes that break down the cell. The mitochondrion is an organelle that the powerhouse built from an animal and a plant cell. During the process of cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecule that provide the energy for all the cells. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell maintains shaped cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the thread-like microfilaments, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are fine tubules. Some organisms, such as plants, that are photoautotropic, meaning they capture sunlight for energy. Plant cell with an organelle is called chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it has green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have cell wall outside of their cell membrane for shape, support and protect the plant cell. Animal cell does not have a cell wall. There are many unique structures that only some cells have, there just a few. In humans, for example, the respiratory tract is lined with cells that have cilia. They are microscopic hair-like projections that can move in waves. This future.
Thank you, sister. I know about cell clearly.
It's my pleasure.
I have more doubts.
Yeah, you can contact me. Whenever I am free, I'll clarify your doubts.
Thank you once again, sister.